In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 different ways that you can make $100 per day without any money. And don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go online and do surveys or watch videos and get paid. These are real, legitimate business opportunities that you could take advantage of. And believe it or not, number 4 is my favorite. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the number 4 as well as the other 4 opportunities to make $100 per day without money. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. 5 ways that you can make $100 per day without spending a dime of your own money. Number 1 is actually kind of funny. I'm here over on Fiverr, and what I did is I just typed in Rocket League coach, and you can see people are charging $20 starting to coach Rocket League. Now, if you don't know anything about video games, that's fine. You can be a coach for just about anything. We can type in like relationship coach, and you can see that people, once again, are willing to pay other people to be a coach. Now, there's all sorts of these weird little gigs out there that you can take advantage of over on Fiverr to make $100 per day. Now, if you look at this one, this person's going to be your life coach, relationship coach, and business coach. He's charging $50 starting, and he has over 186 5-star reviews, so he probably has maybe 300 to 500 people that have signed up for this. But what you can do is hop over to Fiverr and think of a niche that you're interested in, and then go through each letter of the alphabet, because what a lot of people do is they'll create a gig for being a logo designer. So we type in logo, and there's over 265,000 services available. But if you type in logo, let's say, let's type in Discord logo like this, hit enter. There's only 272 services available. This person is starting at $25, and he has over 208 4.9 star review average. So you can see here, if you type in a niche down version of a category, there is opportunity, and you can go through each letter of the alphabet, or you can find one of these. You could do something like, let's type in resume writer if you are interested in writing. Resume writer, and then we can come back over here and we can just once again go through each letter of the alphabet and see if people are asking for their individual situation. So if we do professional resume writing, you can see that there might be a little bit more opportunity. 15,000 services available for professional resume writing, and then just go through each letter of the alphabet and you can see that there's opportunity. But number 1, believe it or not, you're going to make active income over on Fiverr. And basically what active income means is that you will only make money when you are actively working on a service over on Fiverr. But that's number 1. Number 2 is with YouTube. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is there are a bunch of ways to make money. Now, I want to point out this channel right here. It's called Copper Creek Cuts. And what they do is they make money by cutting grass. Now, he has a lawn care business down in Florida, and he actually makes money a bunch of different ways. He makes money with the YouTube Partner Program. He makes money with ads running in the beginning, middle, and end of his videos. He makes money with affiliate marketing, and recently I've seen him running ads for Next Business Insurance. So because his YouTube channel has over 300,000 subscribers, Next Insurance reach out to them, and he's making money that way. So he has about 5 or 6 different income or revenue streams just with his YouTube channel. So if we click on this channel here, this will probably be the one channel where he doesn't have affiliate links, but he's making money with affiliate marketing, the YouTube Partner Program. So this ad here, if I were to click on this ad, he could potentially make money from it. He's making money by affiliate links. So these are different affiliate links right here. What equipment are you using? If I were to click on this link, it goes over to Amazon, and he could earn a commission if I decide to buy something within 24 hours. He was also selling his merchandise. So if you're part of the YouTube merch shelf, you can sell your logos, custom mugs, and t-shirts. There's actually probably merch below this video. Definitely check that out. It links right over to Spring. And the cool thing is I don't actually have to have my hands on it at all. Spring will take care of the payments, the shipping. I would just get a portion of whatever I'm charging the apparel for, but merch is another way. So there are at least 5 or 6 different income streams that you can create just from YouTube. Now, with YouTube, it does take time. You probably aren't going to make $100 per day 5 days after starting a YouTube channel. That's something that can build and scale where you make much more than $100 per day over time. You want to make sure that you have that in the back of your mind. Now, I call this semi-passive income. And the reason why it's semi-passive is you are going to create these videos once, and they're going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Like, for example, it's 9 a.m. here in Wisconsin. He probably made this video back in November 2020, and he's still receiving views from it and getting paid and making money. So this is semi-passive income. The next way that you can make money is actually with TikTok. Now, I've got a cool little wrinkle for TikTok. What you could do is if you're scrolling on TikTok every single day, what you're going to do is you're simply going to take note of what's popping up, things that are trending, things that are important. And then what you can do is you can jump over to a website like Teespring like this, and then you can make merchandise that is related to trending topics. Now, I've talked about this before with regard to Facebook groups, but you could do the same thing with TikTok, because if something goes viral on TikTok, millions of people are going to see it. You can jump on that virality or that trend, and then you could turn that into merchandise. Now, you're going to need to spend a bunch of time on TikTok, and there will be a segment of people that buy this, but you could see that this could potentially be a cool way to make money and also build a brand where you start a online apparel or a t-shirt business. Now, what you'd want to do over time is turn this into a website where you have a listing of all of your different apparel, but in the very beginning, once you receive 1,000 followers, you could actually just put a link to your Teespring shop. Definitely try that out. There's also other ways that you can make money on TikTok. I'm actually going to talk about this next way right now. Another way that you can make money is by creating and selling digital products. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money, because you create this digital product once, and then you can get paid from it over and over and over again. For example, you could create a checklist or a template. If we jumped over to Etsy, where you can sell these, you can also sell them on your own website if you want, or you can sell them on maybe like Redbubble or some of those other places, Gumroad. We can type in something like template like this. And once again, you're going to see people are looking up different templates. We could do resume template like that. And I spelled template wrong, but that's okay. You can see people are selling digital resume templates. This one's going for $10, and this store has over 531 reviews. This store here has almost over 1,700 reviews for the product that they're selling. And there's a bunch of ways that you can go out and figure out exactly what's popular over on Etsy, but you can see that people are looking up different templates. And once again, we can go through each letter of the alphabet and figure out what people are looking for. Let's do resume template like that. Once again, but you can see resume template for Word, Google Docs. Google Docs is real easy because you don't even have to download anything. You can just share a link and get up and running that way. But if we click on this once again, and we're just going to get rid of that, and we are just going to go through each letter of the alphabet and see what pops up. Now, sometimes it doesn't work very well, but look at this: templates, planner, business cards. We can also do something like downloadable or printable. Let's do printable like this. And you can see people are looking up all sorts of different printable stickers that they can print. I talked about doing printable table numbers a while back. You can see this is an opportunity where you create different table numbers in different colors, and then you post them up here on Etsy, or different fonts, I should say. Post them here on Etsy, and then people can buy. Another way that you can make money, and this is something that I take advantage of basically every day, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. For example, we can create a YouTube channel, and we can recommend everything from different power equipment to web hosting to different courses that we're a part of. So for example, let's say our niche is cutting grass. We're just going to type in cutting grass like this. We could be an affiliate for Amazon or Lowe's or Home Depot and recommend the best grass cutting blades for Wisconsin. So we can just type in something like best lawnmower for Wisconsin. Now, a lot of people probably won't be searching this, but you get the idea that this is something that could potentially bring you in some views. Now, look at this. Best lawnmower for Wisconsin, 712 views, only has 2,000 subscribers, but they're creating content about the best lawnmowers for Wisconsin. Grab your affiliate link from Amazon or Lowe's or Home Depot, put it in the description. Now, if these guys are looking for the best, most likely they're looking for a list of the 5 or 6 best, and they're willing to buy. But if we look at this, 5 best riding lawnmowers, 29,000 views, only 2,000 subscribers, and this actually looks like B-roll. This does not look like this. I don't believe that this channel actually is creating original content with regards to their own unique videos. What it looks like they're doing is they went over to the websites of the product owner, for example, John Deere, and most likely they are grabbing B-roll or marketing footage and they're splicing it together. So I just want to pull this forward just a little bit, and I'm fairly certain that they're just grabbing B-roll footage. No one actually appears in this. So this is an idea or an opportunity to not show your face. And I'm sure you're wondering, where do I get this type of content? We could go to copy this like this, come up to Google, paste this in just like that. And then we can go over to videos and we can take a look and see if we can find videos of actual footage. We can also paste the name of the product right into YouTube. We can paste it just like this. And then we can look and see if there is Creative Commons videos out there. So we can go to filters like this and then do Creative Commons. I might do a separate video on this. Let me know if this is something that you're interested in, a separate video. We could just simply do videos, or how to do videos with Creative Commons the right way. There's a wrong way of doing it where people are just stealing content and splicing it together, but there is a right way that you could do it. So one thing that you could do is go to the product owner or product manufacturer's website like this, paste it in, and then we can actually look for that actual lawnmower. Let's see, we'll go to lawnmowers and we can grab that like that. And then we're just looking for different marketing videos. And usually most businesses aren't going to have an issue with you pulling down their marketing videos if they have them. But you can see look, there's different images and videos that you could pull down. So just to recap real quick, number 1 is with odd gigs over on Fiverr. Number 2 is with YouTube. Number 3 is with TikTok and finding trending topics and trending videos and making merch and apparel out of it. Number 4 is with creating and selling digital products on Etsy or Gumroad, or even doing it yourself. You can also use Udemy as well without showing your face. And number 5 is with affiliate marketing. Now that you know 5 different ways to make money online without spending a dime, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.